he hogging? Oh my gosh, 3 birds. Anna, Drew's got 3 birds on his arm. I hope they don't start fighting on you. I was doing a movie.
Oh.
Anna's yelling at the duck.
Oh. I still have some extra left.
You don't have to use it if you don't want.
Yeah, you hold the cock again. You didn't see anything.
Hi. Anna, come here. We can be all done with the birds. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm out of nectar. We'll put him on her hand. Let me see. Ian. You can hold it. And then you just hold it right there. And you come on. You want to go to baby? Is that better? Okay.
Show me,
look. That's the one that Leonard. That's the only duck one around. Bird wants to eat my hand. It keeps going. Quack! Quack!
What do you think about all those birds, Anna? She doesn't like the loud ones.